Vinyl window installation in Sumter SC is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of vinyl windows Sumter styles available, including double-hung windows and sliding vinyl windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Vinyl window contractors in Sumter offer expert window frame installation and window sealing services to ensure a perfect fit and maximum energy savings. Energy-efficient windows in Sumter are essential for reducing utility bills and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Insulated glass windows and custom vinyl windows. Sumter, South Carolina are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Window weatherproofing Sumter SC further enhances these benefits, providing a barrier against the elements. Custom vinyl windows. Sumter, South Carolina offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs. Vinyl window customization. Sumter allows for a range of options, from color and finish to hardware and grid patterns. Vinyl window suppliers. Sumter provide a wide selection of materials and styles to suit any architectural design. Window replacement services in Sumter SC are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Vinyl window replacement. Sumter, South Carolina and window glass replacement Sumter, South Carolina ensure that your windows remain functional and attractive. Affordable vinyl windows Sumter SC make it easy for homeowners to upgrade without breaking the bank. Vinyl window installation experts Sumter SC are skilled in providing top-notch window maintenance services. Regular window maintenance. Sumter, South Carolina is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Vinyl window upgrades. Sumter can include new hardware, improved sealing, and enhanced insulation. Window installation cost. Sumter SC is a consideration for many homeowners looking to improve their homes. Vinyl window benefits. Sumter include durability, low maintenance, and excellent energy efficiency, making them a cost-effective choice. Window installation company Sumter, South Carolina offers competitive pricing and professional service to meet your needs. Vinyl window options. Sumter are vast, with choices ranging from traditional to contemporary designs. Double-hung windows, Sumter and sliding vinyl windows, Sumter are popular for their ease of use and classic appeal. Vinyl window styles. Sumter can complement any home, adding value and curb appeal. Window energy savings. Sumter, South Carolina are significant with the installation of energy-efficient windows. By reducing the need for heating and cooling, homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Vinyl window installation. Sumter SC is an investment in both comfort and sustainability. Vinyl window contractors. Sumter are dedicated to providing high-quality window installation services. With expertise in window frame installation, Sumter and window sealing Sumter, South Carolina, they ensure that each project is completed to the highest standards. Trust the professionals for your next window project in Sumter.